Hello, my name is Vincent Printy, and I'm originally from Florida. I'm a photographer that specializes in shooting in and around the water. I love taking photos of people in the water, mostly. The ocean is my happy place. I learned that the easiest way to express my love of the ocean to people is to tell them that I'm a fish. It helps them understand that I love to be in the water more than anything else. I have a lot of anxiety just in general. My mind is always racing, but when I get into the ocean, everything disappears and I am happy and worry-free because the ocean relaxes me. That's just where I love to be.
My name is Hyunjung and I'm from Busan, South Korea. I'm a freelance videographer and video editor. I've traveled a lot and seen many places, but I've found a lifestyle that allows me to slow down and truly embrace the cultures and communities we are seeing. I don't have to fly home in a few days, you know what I mean? I can take my time to document these places and understand the people surrounding us better. I'm a van lifer.
What's our story? Oh gosh, where do we begin? We met in Hawaii back in 2018 while I was living there, and Hyunjung was visiting while working and traveling. We started dating long distance. She visited me a few times, but at that point, I had to get my passport, and I'd actually never had a passport before. And this is me in my late 30s with no passport. Pretty crazy. After I got a passport, we started traveling back and forth between Korea and Hawaii to see each other. We even went to Japan for my 40th birthday, which was amazing. Meeting Hyunjung has been the best change of events in my life. I'm seeing the world as I'd always dreamt of doing with her by my side. She's so adventurous and well-traveled. It really helps me feel at ease when we're going to see new places. She's not scared of anything.
In 2019, we came up with the idea to do van life in Europe. We saved up all the money we could when we both quit our jobs and hopped on planes to meet in the UK.
네, 여러분, 중국에서 시작된 신종 감염증 환자가 국내에서도 처음 확인됐습니다.
March 2020 was the beginning of everything for us and the rest of the world. We arrived in London the third week of March, and within 7 days, we had already booked flights back to South Korea to be safe.
안녕. Okay.
We had no idea how our plans would be changed by the oncoming pandemic.
So we just went grocery shopping at Waitrose. Everyone looks really nervous. Everyone rushing and hurriedly picking up things and I know it's happening everywhere, but it is weird to see.
Yeah, London is about to... I don't think London's going to be good pretty soon. It's going to be pretty scary. And so we made the decision to go back to Korea for 3 months, or however long it takes for this to be gone. And then we will figure out how to come back, because she has a 2-year work visa here, so this isn't the end, but it is a timeout on London for us. We leave next Wednesday, so we still have 5 days to sort of see London. Not really. We're just trying to be as healthy as we can before we go back to Korea.
These tickets cost almost double what we pay for our van. We spent half of the money we saved to get back to Korea. It was crazy.
The dilemma for us was that Hyunjung is South Korean, I'm American, so if we didn't go through with our plan, we didn't know when we would see each other again. Fast forward 3 months and we boarded another flight back to London. time to begin again. Our post-lockdown life began, and we started the hunt for our van with our new, much smaller budget. We found the best van we could get and started building our home. The next great challenge for us was speaking 2 different languages and, having lived our whole lives using 2 different measurement systems, trying to build a van together. It was nuts. We fought often, and at the end of the day, we would have dinner and pass out in bed, exhausted from all of the mental stress and hard work we had done. Hyunjung had never been camping before, let alone lived in a van. I had not driven stick shift in 25 years, and definitely never driven on the right side of the road. The challenge of fitting our clothes, 4 seasons worth, and all of the things you need to live inside your tiny home was immense. December 10th, 2020, we left Brighton and started on the road to Europe. We learned along the way how to share this space, share each other's clothes, and find new ways to be comfortable in discomfort. We basically ended up starting this lifestyle at one of the worst times you could, but we're excited to move forward into 2022. What's coming up for us? We're both excited to get to Portugal and then Africa. I can't believe I'm going to be in Africa. That's crazy. Something I've always dreamed of. You can follow our journey on YouTube by checking out Vinny and Yang.